Good morning. So I escaped the wind of Nebraska. It actually kind of died out last night. I think maybe about 8:30, 9 o'clock. It was nice to actually not have these wind gusts everywhere and the trailer shaking. And then to get on the road this morning and not have to fight that the whole way has been kind of a relief. So today I am headed to, I believe it's Wilton, Iowa. And there's a place called Oak Tree Homes. It's the gentleman or the company, it's contractor. When I planned going across, I saw that they have electric and water. And right now that sounds fantastic. There's a tropical storm coming in. It's actually already hit down Louisiana. And as I was looking at the weather across, it said tropical storm. So I guess I'm going to be in Iowa in a tropical storm. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, so kind of maybe a longer drive today, maybe close to about 6 hours, and I'll see you when we get to Oak Tree Homes. Normally before I film inside, I would turn the AC off, but oh man, I have AC. I got both units going. So here at Oak Tree Homes, Dan and Michelle, just met them, talked to them for a few minutes. Wonderful people. I've got 50 amps for the next 2 days. So I don't know if you call this boondocking. I also have water. But very welcoming people, and looking forward to getting to talk to them a little bit more. And I'm gonna finish getting set up and cool off a little bit. Well, I got set up and cooled off since I have AC, and so now I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. So this is really kind of, well, this is the business, but this is Oak Tree Homes, and the house is actually on the other side. But Dan and Michelle, so they haven't been doing this very long, the hosting thing, and from what I caught, it's a bit of a funny story how they got started doing it. And I've always kind of wondered how some of these folks found out about it and why they do it. Sometimes it's more simple than you think. So they had some friends that were doing it, and I think they were having a really good time and decided, yeah, you know what, we're gonna do this too. Man, the bugs around here are going crazy. Oh yeah, by the way, they have ducks, and they have turkeys and chickens and goats and sheep and some really large, very friendly dogs that like to come out and say hi. Yeah. Hello. You're a bear. You're a bear. How much do you weigh? Like 250? But it's really neat that they actually open up what is essentially their home to have people come stay. As you can see where I got, they can fit a couple people, but they put me up here so it's a little bit more level. And again, I've got 50 amp going, and I've got water. Yeah, I'm excited to be here for a couple days and just relax. So one of the really cool things about Harvest Host, like I've said before, is it's a non-traditional way to RV. And right now I'm about ready to get rained on because we have a tropical storm, Cristobal, that's come up into Iowa. And so it's kind of dampened some of the filming. But anyway, so as far as non-traditional, I think this one really fits the bill. Dan and Michelle, they both have some really cool things going on. So Dan's business, which is Oak Tree Homes, they do like a higher end renovation, but they also do full design and new homes or just full remodels. And I've seen pictures, it's beautiful. Their craftsmanship is great. Their barn itself that their office is in, oh, here come the gnats again, is an old barn that, when you look at pictures, here's a couple pictures of what they did. But you look at these and you think, why would you save that barn? But they did, and it's beautiful. And inside is fantastic. And then Michelle, she has a really cool blog called Simplify Live Love. And she's got tips on cooking, how to just simplify your life a little bit. I wonder if she has any tips on these gnats. But it's a really neat blog. You should check it out. And her Instagram, she's got beautiful photos. And almost all of them are taken right here at their homestead and or down this road. He also has, the Oak Tree Homes has an Instagram, so you can see some of the buildings that they've done, the houses they've done. So someone asked me, why would you use harvest hose and stay at somebody's house, basically? It's not a farm, it's not a vineyard, it's not a winery. But, excuse me, trying to get some of the gnats off. I guess they're coming back. I thought the wind took care of them. Anyway, you know, just to have the chance to go stay at somebody's house, to see for just a little bit how they built their life, and just to meet different people, some really cool people. Jeez, get away, gnats. Has been exciting. I like to hear other people's stories, and so to meet these folks here and see what they've built for themselves is really cool. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, when I chose them, I saw that they had electric and water, and I knew that this was going to be a point when I needed a rest and a refit, so it worked out really well. But again, yeah, if you get a chance, go check out Simplify Live Love. Go check out Oak Tree Homes on Instagram and check out their websites. And I'm going to go now and see if I can get away from some of this wind and these gnats.